Videos are a great way to create a brand awareness, and a large majority of our businesses are using a videos as a marketing tool because customers are more convinced to buy a product or services after watching videos. And in today's world, making a high quality video is really very tough task, and it required huge marketing budget and years of video making skills, and this is where the thought of stock videos comes into the mind. Stock video clips can be used in number of ways, like in YouTube videos, websites, ad campaigns, social media posts, and for personal and professional use. The best part about stock videos is that they are usually free and there are different licenses when it comes to their usage. Here we have listed some of the best stock video websites which will take your video to the next level, and I will also leave the link of each free stock video website in the description down below. You can check that out in the description box. And during the video, I am also going to talk about the different licensing terms that these websites offers. So make sure you watch till the end of this video and don't miss out any of the important details, because I will be sharing some bonus tips and tricks that you can do to make most out of this. So this is Manoj here, and welcome to the channel where I make videos on tips and tricks and the best ways on how to make money online. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. And one more thing before we start, if you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave a comment down below in a comment section. And if you want my number one recommendation and the best way to make money online, make sure you click on the first link in the video description down below. Now let's get started. So starting from number 1 is with Pixabay. Pixabay has more than 1.9 million royalty-free stock videos and photos shared by its community of creators. The best part is all of their free stock videos are released under Creative Commons Zero license. This means that you don't need permission to use or modify the clips, or you don't even need to give a credit to the creator. Pixabay is a huge collection of free stock videos that are formatted as a MP4 and are generally in a minute in length. You can also download clips in the resolution of your choice for commercial and non-commercial use across digital and print mediums. Plus, the library includes motion graphic, HD footage and 4K videos. So moving on to the number 2, we have got Pexels. Pexels launched as a free stock photo site, but it has since added a large library of free stock videos. Their free stock video footage collection is also under the Creative Commons Zero license, so you can use and edit the videos for personal and commercial purposes for free and without crediting the author. Plus, Pexels also offer plenty of mock-up stock videos. Many of these clips include mobile devices featuring a green screen. This allows you to replace the green screen using a technique called chroma key. While you will come across the plenty of 4K videos on the website, most of the good footage is delivered as a MP4 videos in HD. So moving on to the number 3, we have got the Cover. With a great selection of a beautiful free stock videos, Cover makes it easy to find that perfect cinematic clip to use in your campaign. Plus, the website simplifies the process of using the available footage. Just click on the video you like and embed it into your web pages. No fees, no sign up, no attribution is needed. The platform even provides instructional videos and code snippets. While Cover doesn't have the number or depth of videos as some of the other sites on our list, the site offers a decent mix of aerial, time-lapse and cinematic clips for different projects. And Zoom virtual background, these are the perfect for replacing your messy room with cool virtual background for video conferencing. So moving on to the number 4, we have got the Dareful. Dareful is formerly known as the stock footage for free, and it is a site full of great quality free 4K stock videos that you can use however you want to. All footage on these sites has been shot by Joel Holland, who is the creator of popular stock image and video platform known as Storyblocks. The advantage of Dareful is that the categories and search bar makes it easy to find ideal clip. Categories include aerial, autumn, nature, fireworks, mountains, lakes, beach, summer and many more. It is mandatory to create an account on a Dareful to download the clips. You can do this with your email address. However, you have to provide attribution whenever you use stock videos from this website, as the clips are offered under Creative Commons license. Now moving on to the number 5, we have got the Life of Weeds, and this is the final free stock video website closing our list. Life of Weed provides free stock videos, clips and loops. The website is owned and operated by Canadian marketing agency. The site doesn't have huge catalog of free stock videos, but they are providing high quality footage. All of the clips are free to use with personal and commercial purposes with attribution. However, redistribution on other platforms is limited to 10 stock videos only. The videos are delivered in MP4 format with HD files available. You can download footage from collection like food, nature, people, office, drones and much more. Plus Life-of-Bits lets you choose the resolution you would prefer. So these are just some of the best and most popular free stock video websites. I have also given link for each of these websites down below in a video description. Don't forget to check that out. And if you think you like this video, please make sure go ahead and smash that like button right now, because the algorithm makes me share this video out with the more people. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And that's bring me to the end of this video. So thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.